We've just masked data using our PII scanner. Now, what if you want to make those values look a bit more realistic and production-like, or if you're trying to test against validation rules? Currently, the outputted data looks like this, which has ensured that the data sensitive has not been passed through to the test environment, but it doesn't look that realistic. What we can do is we can get rid of this section here, and we can replace it with a section that allows us to use our transformers, which automatically ensure data is integral and looks realistic based off your production data. Here, we're defining first name, last name, email, and phone number, which are the values previously we said were sensitive. We've then used our person generator and put those same values in. If I now run this, what you'll see is that that data within our test environment will update and look much more live-like. You can now see that those names look realistic. You can also see that referential integrity has been maintained between the names and the emails. Again, you can see as we go through, all that referential integrity between customers, accounts, transactions remains.